campaign when the same campaign for MP is the same campaign for LC5 candidates. It has made it very easy for us. Resource-wise, we're okay because however little I have, and this has become a big threat. Both opponents, they belong to the same party. The rule of the game, in Kaiti Karme campaign, my opponent, the incumbent, they get to office for his campaign. This is against electoral laws. It is wrong. Now, generally, you get to time where the ground on Peberu level. And to bear one bag what you time up whatsoever they are doing, the provocation and everything is not deterring our support from the ground. We are not shaken. Actually, so Kamawati Iene, one Watika Leko, the authority. By the way, one for security forces. They have never interfered with our campaigns. But there has been always a tendency of trying to influence them. Maybe interfering with our campaigns. Lagu maja ipukonyo. Police ubiro iganga waro gore kama kitetiwa iye dek. Supporters o ubiring at one teacher. Ubiring one matete one TM. One pedo dog town. One got to be field. One not to field. We vurbe kim gang. Looking guy e go hoa. Now no one teacher. Of course looking down no do ada system watikenyu ban system pega ko. We birgo amore wang o. Wagor jim. Now mago ndi ayege no mo mage wachigini ajo ntia team campaign the war was not there. One guy open we to ara ngoma wonu tikere me biero ka interfering ki you meganga wako welo na so don't go no go mano go gwar go da problem go yelo. This is the kind of spirit na wa merno no miro mete. Ma security do not interfere because candidate A or B tiga wachoni you know. So one lego ni opponents wa go work teach volo me voro supporters wa go work teach volo me temuketo ambus me wano komwa kuyu be karo do ma chel ki do mario luak me gulu be gak luak me gulu ka wa pogo dano pikui wa bitolo a divided community nini umyer wa tel dano matigi mai kingi dano bi leko medeke leko kari kingi dano bi medeke luak opero matigi kingang ikingi. So, the enemy is not about parties. We belong to the Democratic Party, but we are looking at how do we unite the people and lead people who really consider each other. Enemy again na watamu ni wami botu machalo pokno hangea uwe hongene pian jemine dongotia donyo the last stage, the final stage. Karama mawati ya lego ni daro cham karama ke kuch. Inye karama ni tap no dong chabira dek kan me bolu kui.
Ario.
Actually Ario pian karama be kwani ni marama bicho. New Year be kwani ni marama bicho. So no wa dong ke me chwana ne nienda para beach. Actual campaign pa MP gikoro nienda para dek. Pa LC5 ki councillors gik nienda piara Ario. So Tianlokeni, whoever has not reached the ground now, then we will look. There is no way you can win election only on social media. You should touch the ground. And so, if you are not touching the ground, but you want to interfere, you want to disrupt campaigns, it is uncalled for. Let's conduct a peaceful campaign. Madano no da kuili ene uberkuimano. And it is the will of the people under social contract. You are there on behalf of the people. So you should represent what the people want. If your campaign manifesto cannot now match what the expectation of the community is, be rest assured that you will not get the votes.
People who have already been in office.
Daro, especially those who have been in office, it is a matter of accountability. What did you do within the 5 years of in office?